Yo people, what's up? I'm Burner from Tech House Market, and today we're gonna make cool grooves for our drums. So I already set it up, this kick and bass. It's just super simple kick. And I have this bass loop. I only sidechain that from the kick. But that's it for today for the kick and bass. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some swingy heads. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a super short head like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make them swing, but we only wanna affect the 16th notes, you know, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if I apply this, you'll hear the difference. Right now it's probably a little bit too much. If you set this like around 70%, it sounds good. Also gonna change the velocity a little bit, like this. And we're gonna make this long like this. And I'm gonna add some heads in between, like this. So all the 16 heads here going into the same groove. I wanna have this a little bit more loud. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I want to have this as well as the main head. I think I'm gonna use this one over here instead of the other one. A bit too loud, and then that one. So that's it for the heads. Now we're gonna dive into the claps. Let's use this one as the main clap. And I want to make this also a little bit more groovy. So I think I'm gonna set this over here. Or this maybe. Also on the same swing. Let me apply this also on the kick. Maybe I'm gonna change the notes. Or only the pitch. Yeah, I think this sounds cool. And I think if we add some percussion loops with this pretty sick Latin Tech House bundle, we can make it even more interesting. Maybe some percussions here and there. Maybe this. Same groove again, and I want to have a super short transient. So let's say that we're only gonna use this part. Like super subtle, but you almost didn't hear it, but it's still there. Well, I like this as well. Gonna do the same trick. Yeah. I kind of like this groove. Of course, a crash. Ooh, that snare's nice. And we can play around maybe with the timing. It's a bit too much here. And I think maybe it's nice to put a little panning on this one. So we're gonna move it from left to right, just real subtle. Yeah, I think we are actually finished. Maybe we're gonna use the snare. Gonna search in my samples from Tech House Market. Maybe this. And then maybe some off beat snares. This might work. And then maybe some. I'm gonna use another sample for that. Oh, this is nice. Got that vintage feeling. Of course, the same groove. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Sorry. I don't really feel this one, actually. I don't really like the snare. Maybe this sound a little bit more weird. Just like this. So that's how you make cool, groovy drums. It's super simple, but effective. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.